Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I'm Venu Gopal. We are at the KITTENGI Biryani. KITTENGI Biryani is a restaurant which is serving North and South Indian cuisine. We specialize in a lot of North Indian food. We have got our own in-house uh, desserts and many items for you to choose from. Our menu is quite extensive. A lot of people have find it very interesting. And the other thing that is very important is vegetarian. A lot of vegetarians don't have much of choice in many restaurants. Our restaurant has got a fantastic choice of vegetarian food. We can choose from that. Now we have introduced three different kinds of biryani. One is a normal biryani, and then we have also satishoru, which is actually a saute of the biryani rice and made into. So we have normal biryani, we have satishoru biryani, and then we have now come with kadai biryani. Kadai biryani is also a saute, but different style of doing it. Very, very popular among the people. All these things. You can choose different kind of things. We have a selection about 15 different items: mutton, chicken, country chicken, you have vegetarian, you have mock mutton, mock chicken, mock fish, you name it, we have. Squid we have venison. All these are not available in many shops, and we have this selection, and you will definitely enjoy. And our dessert, one of the most popular ones is gujalambal. Gujalambal is a specialty which we have prepared with 3 different ingredients. Very, very popular. It is best eaten in a group of 2 or 3 people together. You will enjoy. And we have our own in-house coffee ice cream. This recipe we brought it from India, and it is very, very popular. Especially if you are celebrating your birthday, you should come to our place, because we give you a complimentary coffee ice cream, and we also give you another 10% discount. Every time you come to our restaurant, first time if you come and like our restaurant in Google, we give you a 5% discount. We also have a special coupon which you can collect, and that coupon we can give you discount over the next few times you come to us. So you can ask our staff about all these things and enjoy our restaurant. And we serve some of the very authentic food, and always we like to get good feedback from you so that we can improve our restaurant. Our chefs are from India. They are very experienced. Some of them have got 20, 30 years of experience. So you can expect the finest food that's being served in our restaurant. Thank you. Hi, now we will go inside the restaurant. You can see the atmosphere. You can enjoy whatever it is there. Thank you. Please join us.
Yes, sure. So let's go. We have first.
Hi, we have got room where for 20 over people can sit and have a private dining area. So if you have got a group, a celebration, a birthday, something, you can always call us. We will arrange this place. And you want to do special decoration, also can be arranged for you on your request. All this is in your hand. What you require, you just tell us, we will do it for you. Nice place, cozy, separate, private, and everything will be wonderful. Thank you.
lady boss is eating her favorite. Is this lunch?
Vegetarian. Yes.
Lunch.
Yep.
Ah, it's lunch, yeah. What do you call again?
Rice, dal, brinjal, and papadum.